Next up. Danny, please, let's go.
I'll help you.
I'm very nervous because I've seen the dishes that have come up before me and I know how good they all are, and my style of cooking is really rustic. It's not extremely refined. So that is really concerning for me because it's not what everybody else is doing. Everybody else's dishes are looking really refined. My style of cooking is really rustic. I'm also nervous because Jock loves Sri Lankan food and loves pineapple curries and has an emotional attachment to this.
I'm bringing you a taste of Sri Lanka. So I've got a Sri Lankan mud crab curry, a pineapple curry, and some homemade roti and sambal.
Fantastic. What's your connection to Sri Lanka?
I love Sri Lanka. It's like such a special place to me. I went there as a very young girl. I was 20, and it opened my eyes up to the world of spices and things like coconut oil. And I also fell in love there. I met my husband there. So it's a really special place, and it's got an amazing food culture. So to bring just a little bit of a taste of that, I hope you guys enjoy it.
Danny, what did you think when you were walking up the steps this morning and you were kind of peering left and right? There's a bit of talent there.
I was thinking, what have I got myself into? No, seriously though. I mean, like, everything's changed, but it feels really comfortable in some weird way as well. Like, it's like a family here at MasterChef. It's an absolute privilege.
Now you're standing there, looking at this. Are you happy with what's in front of you?
I think I've had a lot going on. I think there's a few people that have had a lot going on. But I'm happy with the flavours.
No, if it tastes as good as it looks
awesome.
I think we're in for a treat.
How are we going to keep clean with this?
That's what I was thinking.
Do you feel like cracking?
There we go.
That's a good sound.
We're in. Stop your fellas.
Oh my God.
Yeah, mate.
Shut all of the doors, all the beers. It's a lock-in.
Really?
You've nailed every single bit of that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
This is beautifully cooked, and you know what? It's easy to overcook crab. The curry, the flavour is just terrific. Great skill, great balance. This and this on that is just the best.
Really?
You've smashed it, honestly.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, it hits the table, it just looks so appealing. And then the waft, the smell, the fragrance. The crab got cooked in the curry, the paste was done authentically. But here's the thing, you cook with poise. You're on point with the acidity, the spice, and then the cool-down method. The roti is exceptional.
That is unbelievable. That is really, really tasty food. There's a technique in there you can't teach people, so well done.
Thank you so much.
Danny, the best food in the world has the magical ability to transport people back in time. For me, when I ate this feast together, it transported me back to sitting on the beach in Gaul, having my first crab curry in Sri Lanka over a decade ago. What more could you want than food that can do that? You can do that. You have magical abilities. You are really, 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 really in with a chance for that immunity.
Really, really.
Really, really.
Really, really.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Danny. That was unbelievable.
Exceptional. I mean, really exceptional.
To hear Melissa think that I've got a chance at immunity is, like, mind-blowing.
Should we stop now? That's delicious.
No, I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying.